Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what will actually appear: slides, transitions, and any recorded narration. Once done, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and pick a resolution that matches your audience. 1080p is a safe default. Next, choose MP4 for universal playback or WMV when working inside legacy Windows ecosystems. Make sure to test a short segment. Export settings determine file size and quality, so adjust bitrate if you need smaller files versus max. You will now record and finalize timing for each slide. Use slideshow, then record to capture voice and slide timings, speak clearly, and pause before advancing slides. Once recorded, preview the full presentation to confirm animations and embedded video sync, fix any misalignments, or re-record short segments. When everything matches, choose File Export Create a Video, pick the quality and whether to use recorded timings. Finally, start export and watch the progress bar to ensure completion. You finish by verifying the exported video across devices, laptop, phone, and streaming platforms to ensure consistent playback. If the file is too large, compress with a lower bitrate or re-export at a reduced resolution. Make sure captions and audio remain intact. If something goes wrong, first check for missing or unembedded media, relink original files, or embed them before re-exporting. Lastly, if audio and video fall out of sync, re-record the affected segment and export again to fix timing discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.